Our approach has always been that much restrictions should not remain in place longer than is absolutely necessary to contain the disease. Due to the decline in infections, the country can now ease some of the restrictions on movement and on activity. Once again, we do so very cautiously. Even after a sustained period of relatively low transmission, we have seen how the number of new infections can rise rapidly and without warning. Based on an assessment of the current state of the pandemic in the country, Cabinet, after various levels of consultation with our provinces and our metro mayors, Cabinet has decided earlier today to move the country from coronavirus alert level 3 to alert level 1. The new alert level will come into effect later this evening once the regulations have been gazetted. This will mean that the hours of curfew will now move from 12 midnight to 4 a.m. Second part is that gatherings will be permitted, subject to limitations on size, adherence to social distancing and other health protocols. And these gatherings will include these following types of gatherings: religious, social, political, and cultural gatherings. The other part is that the maximum number of people allowed at any gathering is 100 people for indoor gatherings and 250 people for outdoor gatherings. Where the venue is too small to accommodate these numbers with appropriate social distancing, then no more than 50% of the capacity of the venue may be used. Night vigils or other gatherings before or after funerals are still not permitted. Nightclubs will remain closed. The sale of alcohol will be permitted according to normal license provisions. However, no alcohol may be sold during the hours of curfew. The wearing of masks in public places is still mandatory, in other words, compulsory. And failure to wear a mask when required to do so remains a criminal offense. The 33 land border posts that have been closed throughout this period will remain closed, while the other 20 will remain open. Only 5 airports will be open for international travel with standard infection control measures in place. And these are OR Tambo International, Cape Town International, King Shaka International, Kruger, Mpumalanga, and Lanseria Airport.